Following meetings held over the weekend, the Caribbean Examinations Council, CXC, says it will begin what it calls a process of healing. The administrators of the regional body met with the regional education ministers last week after an independent review of the grading system for the recent examinations. We have the details from Giovanni Dennis.
It's been a turbulent few weeks for the regional examination body after widespread dissatisfaction with the 2020 CSEC and CAPE exam grades. CXC is now intent on repairing the damage.
The management of CXC will then proceed to roll out a public engagement strategy to begin the healing process.
Among the challenges identified in the draft report, communication of changes within CXC.
Given the structural change in assessments, there remain, despite the formal efforts of CXC, a measure of misunderstanding about the nature of the changes, particularly within the school's setting. That these misunderstandings contributed ultimately to a high measure indeed, of anxiety.
Professor Hilary Beckles noted there's a need to improve the time that CXC takes to respond to complaints from its partners.
There were sometimes technical challenges in the examinations, communications between the CXC and some schools. That in some instances, CXC could have responded to these concerns from students and schools and parents with greater alacrity, notwithstanding the logistical and other technical challenges associated with the COVID-19 pandemic.
Professor Beckles says coming out of the report, there will be an audit review within CXC as the body moves to enhance its operations and respond to all stakeholder concerns.
There is now a very urgent need, an immediate need, to address all of the specific concerns raised by stakeholders, students, schools, principals, teachers, parents, and to address all of these within the regulatory structure of CXC that are provided for such discussions, to address them with immediate urgency.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.